This is the latest welding electrode oven, the ForceArc electrode drying oven. So right now I've already put the electrode inside the oven for maybe 10 to 15 minutes just to heat up the welding electrode, to remove the moisture, and also to prepare the welding rod which are going to be welded onto the steels. This one you can get them in 5 kg or 10 kg, 240 watt. Okay, this welding electrode oven has a temperature right up to 150 degrees. So always use a welding glove before you handle this welding rod. So now I'm going to open this up. So you can see it's starting to smoke, which we are ready to take out from the oven. So these are the welding rod which I already take out from the bake earlier. Right, just close this up before you start to weld the other rod. So I prepare a welding machine to weld the material. As you can see, your welding rod runs smoother. You don't have to put much effort to weld your welding rod, because your welding rod is already heated and remove all the moisture from the rod. So for more electrode oven or drying oven, you can find in our website, or you can see our videos on YouTube. ForceArc electrode drying oven.